Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Roblox error code 773 or the teleportation failed error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to ensure that you have the latest Roblox update. So some Roblox users reported experiencing this problem when playing on a game version that's not the latest. So the possibility here is that the server could be using some files that are newer than the ones you have due to lacking the latest update. So in most situations when this occurs, the player won't be able to join the server. But if you're somehow in the same session and manage to join, you'll be encountering the 773 error when attempting to teleport until you update the game file. So this isn't common occurrence, but it has been reported a few times. So that's it for the first fix, and then what you can do next is to log out all of your Roblox sessions. So a 773 teleport Roblox error can be also caused by a double login session problem, which is why we recommend ensuring you are only logged in from one location at a time. So to do this, you need to visit the Roblox account settings page and then enter the device's location. So you will see a list of all the devices your account is currently logged in from. So sign out all of your devices and only leave the computer you are currently using. Then next, we suggest manually logging out from your current device as well. So when you log back in into your account, launch Roblox and try teleporting again and see if the problem is now solved. But if this fixing fix the problem, what you can do next is to attempt teleporting as an individual instead of a group. So some users reported experiencing the 773 Roblox teleportation error only when trying to teleport multiple people at once as a group. So the fix was to teleport them one by one, so you can modify your command to do that instead, and the problem should no longer trouble you. So this is more of a workaround than an actual fix, as you'll have to put a lot of effort to teleport a dozen of players one by one, but it's still better than nothing. And another suggestion by a Reddit user is to activate the in-game teleportation feature from the game settings tab. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps or fixes that you can do when you are encountering the Roblox error code 773. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.